Hello and welcome back. My name is Sebastian, and now we are checking today a little bit on the string functions. So in this first video, we go to the upper, lower, and length function, and we will show how you can integrate this into your PostgreSQL commands. At first, I have here a small command. So we are selecting two columns in our products table. This is the product name and the category. And at first, as you can see, it's running. Yes, great. So here we have our product names and our categories and our rows which are inside. The first one which we want to use now is the upper and lower functions. And what they do is actually they just make all the letters, I would say, in upper or in lower. So here you can see it starts with a capital M, the machine learning, and then it gets to lower characters. And this you can change. So for instance, we do now the upper function on the category, like this. And let's see what it's changing. You see now here upper category, and you see that the data changed in your output to only upper characters. The underlying data itself didn't change, so that's important. You just change your output. You can also, as a small detail, as you can see now here, upper is now as a column name. We don't like this so much as up values, so you use the as function and rename your column, and then you see it's coming here. The same would be when you do it with the lower function. This we can also do. Now we make this as lower values and we run this, and here you can see now all is in small letters, and this is what the lower function actually do. We can create here also a little bit, I would say, additional things. So you could also do just, I would say, I just want to have the lower category. So you don't need to have the other columns, just my lower values. You can also use the original, give me here this back. You can also use the original category and then the lower one, something like this. All is possible. Okay, now we do the length function. So we go back in our original commands. So we just want now to have the category again. Here they are: machine learning, data science, cloud, computer vision. And now we use the length function, and the length function itself just returns the length of the string. Well, here we have it, length, and then we say again category, and we have to set here, please don't forget, a comma in front, as our output should now be that we see our category column like this, and an additional column which shows the length of each string which is in these each row. So let's see. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, great. Or here NLP 3. So this is the length command to use with any string. Now what we can do is, and this is now a more practical thing, usually you don't use this so often here on these categories. You can use it, for instance, on names. And when we want to use it on names, so an example could be, okay, we want to find all our customers which has just a first name with 4 letters. How we could do this? This we can do that we are integrating this length function in our filter. The filter we can use with a where clause. So what we actually can do is, we want to know now all of our product categories which have a maximum length of 3, for instance, or 4, or 5, or 10, something what you want. And here you can see, so the result for us should be something like NLP, just because you can see here 3. So we do this. So actually we say now length category is equal to 3. So the output should now be that we see the category, the length, and just these one which have a length of 3. Let's run it. And there we go, 3. And as you saw, we have also machine learning, I think with 16 characters. Also the same, it's here. So this you can also use in the where clause, this length operator, to filter your results. So to recap all what we could learn from this, upper makes all letters in a string in capital letters, lower makes them in small or lower letters, and the length function, which we wrote here, just give us the length of the string in the cell. Okay, I hope you learned something, and I will see you then in the next one. Please like and subscribe.